Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's take a look at the headlines. State level committee of regional plan ready to sort out discrepancies of regional plan by visiting villages personally, says roads shown in RP as per 1977 notification. Finally, people have to decide. Battle between Mummy and Babush begins again. Mummy charges Babush of blocking developmental works. Babush refutes the allegation. Baba Ramdev declares war against Goa government on illegal mining, casino and sex trade issues. Threatens of indefinite hunger strike if government stays insensitive on corruption. National Incharge of State NSUI Leni Jadhav says Sunil Kanvthankar will have to face disciplinary action for complaining against his own minister. NSUI says Sunil has violated code of conduct. Vasco Sports Club's annual Goa River Marathon set to roll. Marathoners comforted by high-tech support. Kenyan runners confident of winning. And Gul Panak praises Vasco Sports Club for coming up with a community-driven project like Goa River Marathon. And now the news in detail. State-level committee members of Regional Plan 2021 are ready to visit the villages for rectifying any discrepancies shown by people in the notified plan. The committee has also clarified that roads mentioned in the plan are as per 1977 notification and people are the final authority to amend them if needed. They were speaking in our weekly program, Zagor.
We have not invented this 25 meters or 15 meters. They are there. We are showing it clearly for everyone to see what is going to be.
We have gone in a very transparent manner in our new plan, if you see, and now we have shown the actual width, how it will expand. However, this does not mean that this road is going to be executed immediately.
Most people think a road is just the tarred width. But what we're talking about here in terms of 25 meters or 15 meters is right of way. That means it's from the compound wall of one property to the compound wall of the other property. The actual tarred width will be half that width because you have to leave buffer for the footpaths and infrastructure, your drainage and electric poles and everything. So that's a big misunderstanding that's taking place.
In many places you have proposed this industrial zone. What is this industrial zone?
खरें नाव ताचे तर पळयलें जाल्यार ताजो बारसो करून दिसता आमकां की विलेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट एरियाज.
The name should be village employment areas, and it's for that. And secondly, if the village doesn't want it, they don't have to have it. No outsider can come and create it. It has to be done with their knowledge and by them. But there is a legal process by which they should be corrected, including to put in this Eco 1 area, Eco 2, and that should be fought for. And that should be fought for by the people and by the politicians.
Only 13 have asked for scrapping of the plan. And
without a reason.
Without a reason. And 73 have asked for rectification.
But all of us can't get 100%. So even if you ran through this exercise again, there's no reason to think that you'll all have a happy ending.
Is the committee prepared to physically go to those places
of course,
and actually see if required?
Yeah, we'll do that, absolutely.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The battle between Mummy and Babush has begun again. Ruling Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandez and her supporters have alleged that Babush Monserrat is blocking development work in their constituency. But the Education Minister has refuted these allegations. He is not ready to open his cards about his plans to contest from Santa Cruz constituency.
In March, Babush Monserrat and Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandez were together on various fronts. Mummy even supported Babush during CCP election campaign, but now all is not well with the neighbor legislators. Mummy and Rudolph have both accused Education Minister Babush Montserrat of blocking developmental work in Santa Cruz constituency.
यो फायली PWD कितें जाता हिंगासर खुबशे मिनिस्टर तुमी जाणा शेजारी ओ बाबूश हिंगासर मोदें पडटा ह्या हितून आनी वयता थिंगासर मोदें पडटा आतां फाटल्या दिसांनी ग्राम सभा जालो TCPक लागून थिंगासर इंटरफिरन्स जालें एका शिकय तेका शिकय आनी ह्यो तर फायली आमचे मेळना जाल्यार आमी चिंतला एक व्हडलो मोर्चा काडपाक
because they are trying to involve here election पावली येवंक जाय लोकांक हें करूंक जाय पूण लोकांक कितलें केलें जाल्यार लोक सांगा
Babush is reportedly planning to contest next assembly election from Santa Cruz. His wife Jennifer Montserrat had contested assembly polls from Santa Cruz on UGDP ticket in 2007. Jennifer stood third with more than 5,000 votes. But when Prudent media contacted Babush over phone, he straightaway denied the allegations of Mummy. Babush says, "These are baseless allegations. Let anyone show what files I have blocked in any department. My plans about contesting from any specific constituency would be known to people only after election dates are declared." Babush is three-time MLA from Taligaon. He had announced his plans of contesting from Panji before CCP election, but later Babush reportedly shelved the plans. Our reporter from Mir says Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Baba Ramdev has declared a major crusade in Goa against illegal mining and corruption, that too before state assembly election. Baba Ramdev will go on an indefinite hunger strike if the government shows no sign of action on illegal mining and rising corruption. Baba has threatened to expose the state legislatures involved in illegal mining.
इलेक्शन के समय यहाँ एक बड़ा आंदोलन भी, अभी तो हम सभा कर रहे हैं, उससे पहले इलेक्शन से पहले बड़ा आंदोलन भी करेंगे और जरूरत पड़ी तो अनशन भी करेंगे और लोगों को जगाएंगे पूरी तरह से कि लोगों को पता लगे कि आखिर अब गोवा को लूट से कैसे बचाना है.
Baba Ramdev has entered Goa with a mission, Goa Bachav Sammelan. Baba met NGOs and civic groups after his press conference. Baba Ramdev's call to Goan is, do not elect corrupt politicians.
MLAs हैं और जिनके गुनाह के प्रमाण होंगे वो भी हम चुनाव से पहले लोगों जरूर गोवा वालों को बताएंगे.
He has alleged that CM Digambar Kamath is responsible for illegal mining in the state. He said that 50% of mining royalty should come to Goa.
और इस लूट के लिए जो गुनहगार हैं, जिम्मेदार हैं, उनके ऊपर अभी तक कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की. आखिर गोवा का माइनिंग डिपार्टमेंट जिस व्यक्ति के पास है, क्या उसके लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं है? क्या गोवा की सरकार इसके लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं है? गोवा को मिलता है रॉयल्टी में 10% और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एक्सपोर्ट ड्यूटी ले लेती है वो 800 रुपए. अरे कम से कम 50% हक तो गोवा को दो, रॉयल्टी के नाम पर भी देते हो तो.
Baba Ramdev has hit back at Goa government on the issue of mining, casinos and sex trade. He addressed a convention in Chikli ground at Vasco on Friday. Meanwhile, Baba Ramdev met the grieving Maya Bhu Vimochan Samiti members and extended his support. Our reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with reporter from Chikli Surendra Madkekar and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
National Incharge of Goa NSUI unit Leni Jadhav has hinted disciplinary action against Sunil Kanvthankar for filing a complaint against his own party leader Churchill Alamau. Reigning state NSUI president Sunil Kanvthankar will now have to face inquiry for his act. Leni Jadhav has said that NSUI college, state and district level elections will be held in January.
Few days back, Sunil Kanvthankar had filed a police complaint against PWD Minister Churchill Alamau, alleging him of distributing water tanks illegally. NSUI has taken a serious note of this act by their own Goa chief. National General Secretary Leni Jadhav has said that NSUI has its own code of conduct and Sunil Kanvthankar has violated it.
The complaint was made by a person and not by NSUI. And the thing is that on the organizational level, we are looking into it and inquiry has been set up. NSUI is always against corruption, Congress is always against corruption, but the particular complaint as such, the onus is not on NSUI.
NSUI has planned their college level, district level and state level election in January.
The term of every NSUI president and every NSUI team is 2 years. The earlier committee will be completing its term in the month of January. So we have already started the process. Then the person and the student who is interested to contest can fill up the membership form and contest. What we are going to do is we will be having membership till 15th of December. As you all know, we will be having Christmas, so the colleges will be having holidays. And in the month of January, we will start off with the college elections and it will be followed by the district and state elections.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's now time for a short break. Stay tuned.